What is up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Guru. I have been gone for a minute. I got computer problems. My screen went blank on my main trading screen. I've been trying to figure out how to rectify the situation. Very expensive computer. There is major market moves happening. I've been doing a lot of these. I haven't been showing too many guides, but today I'm gonna throw a ton of info at you. We got charts breaking out. We got massive breakout patterns. What happened to ETL? Guess what? They're still in the running. There's a bunch of new dApps, a bunch of new programs. So let's jump right into the content. We're gonna do the charting first, and then I'm gonna give you guys the update on ETL and OAP. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Shoot me that like for the YouTube algorithm. We're starting to get out there. You guys are starting to spread the word. The Instagram channel, Crypto Guru 777, is starting to grow. I'm getting a ton of views, a ton of referrals, a ton of shares. So let's jump into the content. I hope you guys like it. Let's all make some money. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you some moves that I'm doing, and this is a very, very fun and profitable hobby.
Guys, here we go. Welcome to our TradingView computer, and let's start off with a couple of the other charts here. First, I want to take you guys to this chart for XRP. I made a chart. This is the XRP breakout 445 chart, and I'm going to simplify it for you guys. First, we're going to go to the daily time frame, and what we're going to do is we're going to compress it. We're going to take off our Bollinger Bands, and now we're going to look at this as a massive, look at the size of this pattern here. This goes all the way back to January 5th, 2018, 4 years ago. And look at where we're at right here. We're coming to a head, and what we've officially done in the last couple days since yesterday is we've built a support on our breakout. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to go to the 4 hour. You're going to see it a little bit better. Don't mind my resistance and support levels. Now you can see it better. This is on the 4 hour chart. And we built our support right here. We broke out last night at 116.60. I entered down here, and then I re-entered, and now it's a little confusing right now, because now we could possibly be getting a double top, which is not good. If we do, we have to be prepared. If we come down and we hit the 113, we could break back down to the 103. But we're getting higher highs, higher lows. Not quite here, but it could go up here and make another one. We still have an hour and 13 minutes of this candle left, so it could still go up here and make a higher high, and that would be a technical uptrend. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see the 1 hour. If we take it to our candles, here we go, here's our candles. You guys can see that we literally made moves. We made moves, we found our support, and we took off like a rocket. And if I put in our Bollinger Bands, which measure volatility and show you the direction, you're supposed to follow the direction that the candles go on the Bollinger Bands. And even though this is closing at the bottom, this is going in an up direction, and we are literally following along at a rapid pace. We're building the support here. Once we hit 124, man, this is clear skies. Here is my target. I mean, it's just so massive. Yeah, I have to go to the daily because this is just such a massive massive target here. This is where our target is. Right around $4.20 is our breakout for this chart. So this could happen anytime. It could be right in the middle of happening once we make it past $1.24. Okay, so that is XRP. So now let me show you what is going on with our current Bitcoin price. So we're going to go to our Bitcoin current chart. Here is our Bitcoin chart. Now if we look at what we got going on here. So let's take it out of the 30-minute chart and let's go to daily. So here's our daily chart. Now here is the move for Bitcoin going all the way from 2019, and then we hit resistance, we stayed below it, we hit resistance, we stayed below our line, then we got on top of our line, we came up to our 63K, we crossed down. Well, this is where we're at here. We have made support, we've come to the other side, and we are focusing. Look at how many candles are poking through, and we're really riding the top. And usually what happens is the more times a resistance is touched, the more likely it is to break through. And we have 1 hour for the daily candle to close, and this will close on top. Now you measure your breakout from your top to bottom on your chart, and this is why people are talking about this is the move for Bitcoin. I'm going at least 81K for the breakout. 81,000 is going to be my guess. Anywhere between 81 and 100,000. We need to straighten this line up a little bit. And you guys can see that we're right here. We're right here. We make this candle closes in 1 hour, and we're above the line. And if we break above, this could be the monster Bitcoin move that we're waiting for. So now let's go to Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum, and we will go to Ethereum and show you what we're looking like for Ethereum. Now here's our long time move. We're in an ascending wedge here, and you can see that we're following along it since May 19th. We found our support down here at 1742. We bounced up. This is kind of our median line right in the middle. We found support here. We hit our support. We stayed within the line, and we have massive energy towards this top line here. Here's our top line. I put in a trade. Right now obviously wouldn't be the time to put in a trade. We want to close a candle. We want to break out of this 46.68 level, and we want to have a massive volume confirmation. And then here is what our target is going to be for Ethereum. So we take it from the bottom to the top, and we bring this up here, and this is our breakout for Ethereum. 6,500 is our target for this wedge. From what it looks like, even though this is a bearish pattern, unless we reverse and come all the way back down to 3,600, we are getting ready to test our line again. And if we make it past and we close, this is our breakout. Always be prepared where we're going. This is obviously the 4 hour. You can get a better idea. We're definitely we're supported by this line. We've definitely gotten support, and so now we have energy and we're flowing up through here. So that is our ETH. Let me show you a couple more. So here is our SHIB chart. Now I was kind of salty on SHIB. I lost a decent chunk of money, and then when I sold it, it jumped 700%. And I gotta remember, don't go with emotions, go with charts. Charts don't lie. These are tried and true, and they have a high percentage of going in the direction that they're statistically supposed to. So we go to our 30-minute SHIB chart, and from October 27th is where this pattern started. And if you guys look at this trend line here, this is the breakout for SHIB. Now it could go either direction, but look at where we're at. Look at where we're at. We're literally tracing the line, the upper resistance line. We're right to head. Like, I mean, we're really right there. We can either break down or break up, but it is going to be a massive move in either direction, because if we break up, this is our move right here. We put this, I don't know why it goes sideways, but here we go. Here's our move to 004905, which is a 70% move. And if we break down, if we confirm breakdown for this pattern, this is going to take us down. Yeah, it's going to take us down to 75%. 75%. This is a massive move that's coming to a head on this one. And I'm going to show you guys one more coin. Let me show you one more coin. This is a forgotten about one. Everybody has forgotten about Dash, but I haven't, because the previous market cycle in 2017, this bad boy went up to $1,400 a coin. But let me show you what we got for this one. Look at our previous market cycle, guys. 2018, we went all the way to $16.88 a coin. Now, here is our resistance level. This pink level right here is our resistance. We gained support, we lost it, we came back up and touched it. So let me show you what I found here through doing some chart analysis. Number one, even though we're kind of stagnant right now, our support level, we've gained support right about here. So we gained support right at the 160 level. And right now it's trading at 192. If you guys look at this, we have a W pattern. What do W patterns do when they break out the top? If we break out 271, our short breakout is 442. So from here to here, we have a double. We have more than double on our move. But when we break out above this green line, which is our 400 level, is our resistance, this pattern plays out to here. 350%. Take us to 1225. This is for Dash. So right now, I would say Dash is a very good long term. Who knows? This could take us. I mean, we could complete this by November 22nd. We could go into December's. But if we complete this W and break out, first of all, we're going to double, and then we could go 6x, 600%. This is a massive move. This coin nobody's talking about. Last time when nobody was talking about, I mean, look at the move that we made before. We're going to go here. We're going to go price range, and right here we made a 305% move. 305% when nobody was really paying attention. Nobody expected it. And there we go, 400%. From 103 to 400 from February 08, 21 to April 19. So in 2 months, we went up 400% for Dash. So don't forget about that one. I'm in on that one, definitely. I don't want to jump in on these other ones that don't have this kind of potential. But like I said, our main star of the show is XRP. And I am super bullish on XRP because look at this. I mean, look at the chart. Look at the chart pattern. Like, we literally are at the head. And from what it looks like, we've officially broken out. If we lower this line just a little bit, right here, or maybe even right here, we could lower it right here. We could say that this is our line right here. And what that shows me is we broke our resistance. We came back, tested our support, and now we're traveling back up in that direction with energy. And we had, look at the volume that we had to break it out. Decent volume for XRP, not too bad. It's not like a major amount of volume yet. And then let me change this to a line, and now you can see what I'm talking about. The line charts always show you. So see, we were kind of going around here. Then we have a downtrend, higher low, a higher low, lower high, lower low, lower low, and then we reversed it, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we're going back up again. So we have an uptrend in the daily. We are passing our resistance. We're right there. It's fighting, but once we get past it, man, this is monster, massive. Now I'm like super pumped about this one. This one, it could be like really crazy. So that is enough of the chart analysis because I've probably done quite a bit of time on it. So let me show you a couple quick things for ETL, for our ETHERLITE. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go to CoinGecko. Here we go, CoinGecko. So if we go to CoinGecko and we put in our ETL, we'll see a couple things. First of all, we're back up to 1.2 cents, but look at what I'm seeing though. So we came down here, we dropped down, we came up, and now we have a higher low. So we are actually getting some market support here. Even though it's been kind of choppy, we've got a direction. We got a higher low, higher high, higher low, uptrend. Could be an uptrend. We have a decent amount of volume. The volume is picking up. We got our trust score. I would not count ETHERLITE out yet, guys. There's a lot of programs and dApps being built onto it. I'm going to try to do a screen record from my phone because it's on their Telegram group. There's at least 6 or 7 dApps. Same thing with OAP, the sister company. The sister coin. Oh wait, not TAP. Not TAP. OAP. Not OPA. Celebration. Okay. This one. Here we go. We even went down to like 75 cents. But if you look at our 30-day, we dropped significantly. We were at $7 before. I mean, this coin has been struggling as far as this is a downtrend, but we are getting a little bit, and I think it's still going to go somewhere. But the main star is ETL. I would not count that. I would not count ETL out. Let's watch. I'll keep you guys updated on this XRP move. We're at a significant resistance that we're trying to make it past, and as soon as we do, this thing's going to be explosive. All right, that is the end of today's
video. I hope you guys liked it. It's a little bit long, but there's a bunch of jewels in there. There's a bunch of diamonds in the rough that you guys can probably take, learn from, make wise investment trading decisions. But there's a bunch of trading charts that are breaking out, and the charts do not lie. The charts do not lie. So have a good day. Have a great Sunday. It is Sunday, and I will be up with another video. Have a good day, guys.